What if the secret to living longer, staying youthful, and feeling energetic every day wasn't hidden in expensive supplements or complicated treatments, but right in your kitchen? Science is now proving that certain foods can slow aging, protect your organs, boost your brain, and even help you live longer. People in the world's longest living regions eat these foods regularly, and many of them stay active well into their 90s and even 100s. Today, we're revealing powerful foods that support longevity and youthfulness. And number 7 is something many people already have in their kitchen but underestimate. Welcome to Care Health Channel, where we share well-researched insights and recipes to boost your overall health. Let's begin. First is garlic. Garlic has been used as a natural medicine for thousands of years. It contains a powerful compound called allicin, known for reducing inflammation and protecting the heart. Studies show garlic can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol, and strengthen the immune system. It also supports circulation, which means your cells receive more oxygen and nutrients. Better circulation helps your body repair itself faster and stay youthful longer. Some researchers even believe garlic helps slow certain processes related to aging. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day can provide remarkable benefits. Next is blueberries. Blueberries are often called nature's anti-aging fruit. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage. As we age, our bodies accumulate something called oxidative stress, which speeds up aging. Blueberries help neutralize this damage. Research shows they can support memory, brain health, and skin health. People who regularly eat berries often have better cognitive function as they age. Even a small handful a day can support long-term health. Now let's talk about olive oil. In many long-living populations, especially those following the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is a daily staple. Extra virgin olive oil contains powerful antioxidants and healthy fats that protect the heart and reduce inflammation. It can also support brain health and improve cholesterol balance. Some studies suggest olive oil consumption is linked to lower risk of heart disease and longer lifespan. Just 1 tablespoon daily can make a big difference. Next is turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory substances known. Chronic inflammation is believed to be one of the major drivers of aging and disease. Curcumin may help protect the brain, reduce joint pain, and support healthy aging. Many researchers are studying turmeric for its potential role in slowing age-related decline. Adding turmeric to soups, tea, or meals can easily boost your intake. Now let's move to avocados. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that nourish the body. They support heart health, skin hydration, and brain function. The healthy fats in avocados help your body absorb important nutrients and maintain healthy cells. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Eating avocado regularly may help your body stay strong and resilient as you age. Next are dark leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in vitamins that support longevity. They provide vitamin K, magnesium, folate, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect your blood vessels, support bone health, and reduce inflammation. People who eat leafy greens daily often have better heart health and slower cognitive decline. Even 1 serving per day can significantly improve long-term health. Now here's number 7, green tea. Green tea is one of the most studied beverages for longevity. It contains powerful antioxidants called catechins. These compounds help protect the brain, support metabolism, and reduce cellular damage. Some studies suggest green tea drinkers may have lower risk of heart disease and certain age-related conditions. Drinking 2 to 3 cups a day may notice benefits over time. Next is walnuts. Walnuts are one of the best nuts for brain and heart health. They contain omega-3 fatty acids, which support the brain and reduce inflammation. Regular walnut consumption has been linked to improved memory, better cholesterol levels, and reduced risk of heart disease. They also provide plant-based protein and important minerals. A small handful a day is enough. Now let's talk about pomegranates. Pomegranates contain powerful compounds that help protect cells from aging. They support heart health, improve circulation, and may even support skin health. Some research suggests pomegranates can help protect mitochondria, the tiny energy factories inside your cells. Healthy mitochondria mean better energy and slower aging. Drinking fresh pomegranate juice or eating the seeds can be very beneficial. Finally, one of the most powerful longevity foods is fatty fish. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats protect the heart, support brain function, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Omega-3s are also important for maintaining healthy skin and joints. People who regularly eat fatty fish tend to have lower risk of many age-related diseases. Experts recommend eating fatty fish 2 to 3 times per week. Now here's something important. Longevity isn't about eating one miracle food. It's about consistently feeding your body nutrients that support repair, protect your cells, and reduce inflammation. When these foods become part of your daily routine, they work together to help your body stay strong, energized, and youthful. Small daily habits can create powerful long-term results. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to stay healthy and live longer. And tell us in the comments, which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Your answer might inspire someone else to start their longevity journey today.